Wowzers, Rasta Pasta. What's it called? Rasta Pasta?
Are you doing it now? You can.
Yeah, Rasta Pasta, Operation Basic. Taking all the chicken off. Frying off onion and peppers. Some chips on the go. A few more peppers in there. Pasta's boiling up. Chicken shredded. Going to be adding some of that in pretty soon. Going to add some lazy garlic in there to sizzle away. Nearly put ginger in there, but you just want a spoonful like that, half a spoonful. Get that in there, mix it about. Once your onions and your peppers and your garlic, lazy garlic's all fried off, add in some cream. Next up, we just need this full Philadelphia lighter in, full tub. Give that a mix about. For the secret ingredients, Kilimanjaro's medium sauce. This is what makes it the Rasta Pasta. This serves 4, by the way. And then just shot in all the chicken. Give that a mix up. And then once the pasta's boiled, you simply add that pasta in here once you've drained it. If you're using fresh chicken like this, try not to mix it too much, otherwise your chicken will just go all stringy. So just a little mix. And then simmer away. Tastes absolutely gorgeous. It's all about timing. That's the key to cooking, about the timing. So you get your chips. Pasta's coming along nicely soon, and then they've already been cooked to perfection. So the pasta's gone in. Just need to mix that up now. And then we're just going to gauge whether we need some more sauce or cream. Well, I think that's enough. I think that's perfect. That I really do. Once that's all mixed in, that'll be lovely. That I think the kids will enjoy this one. Well, the men will enjoy
The lads.
this. The lads. Wow, look at this come together. I'm going to do a taste test. A little taste test. Perfect. Pasta's cooked to perfection as well. Lovely. Some chips. And then just need some garlic bread. Couple of bits of garlic bread on there. Look at that. Rasta Pasta. Wowzers. Rasta Pasta. Outdone myself there. Wow. Unbelievable, this Rasta Pasta. Now, we've got a place called Kilimanjaro's near us in the northeast of England. I'm not quite sure whether you've got it where you are. If you haven't, you could try something like reggae sauce, for example, and make it a reggae pasta. But this is like a Caribbean style sauce. Have a search up for Kilimanjaro's.